Well-Planned Gal, and in this video we're going to talk about purchase courses. Now what are those? Those are lesson plan assignments that we have written for you. The benefits to using these are it saves you an immense amount of time. There's not keying in 180 assignments. Instead, we've put in the page numbers, the chapters, the units that have to be completed in a timely manner to finish a course in 1 year. So how do you do that? Well, I'll show you. Let's get started. Now, we're at our landing page where we left off from our last video. We've added our students and we added a custom course. And now I want to show you how simple it is to add a purchase course. So from your courses page, you're going to click on the plus here, or you can even click the plus here. And you're going to select the school year that you want to add the course to. So we're going to choose our current school year. And then it's going to give us the option to shop for lesson plans or install. Now, I want to take you over to how to shop for lesson plans. From our website, from the navigation, or from the main landing page, you can click on Shop Lesson Plans here or in our navigation here. Once you're at the Shop Lesson Plans page, scroll down and you have a variety of lesson plans to choose from. We have complete school year plans. These are complete math, history, science, language arts, sometimes art, music, and Bible as well from different publishers. Currently, we have Well-Planned Lessons, BJU Press, Alpha and Omega, and more. Check back weekly. We do add new lesson plans every week. Or you can scroll down if you're not using a complete box set or a complete curriculum from one publisher. You can scroll down and look at our enhanced subject plans. Now these plans are where we take a variety of curriculum and we add enrichment, living books, manipulatives to create an enhanced experience. And these are comprehensive and we have them in just about every subject, and you can just simply choose a grade and begin shopping. As we continue down, you can shop for specific courses based on the subject. So we've got math, and then history, language arts, science, and then electives, including Bible, music, and art. Now, for this tutorial, I want to show you how to add a complete school year from Well-Planned Gal. So we're going to select, I'm going to start with second grade. And when I select second grade, it's going to give me the different products available. Here we have 3 different products currently available for Well-Planned Lessons. We have different history cycles. I'm going to select New Nation. And in this New Nation's product, I can read the overview, but what's more interesting down here is I can look at a sample of what this lesson plan looks like, and then what the weekly printable will look like as well if I choose to use these lesson plans. As well, there is a book list, and when you click on it, it will take you to the best place to purchase the books, and then also a supply list for using these lesson plans. So we've included all the information and even more for you to have a successful school year using these lesson plans. All right, so then you would add it to your shopping cart and proceed through the checkout, and once you're finished there, you can come back to your software and you can add those courses in. So when you select purchase courses, I have several courses loaded in already, but I'm going to look at my second grade and I'm going to begin adding, let's see, we'll add cultures and ideas for this tutorial. I'm just going to select. Now I want you to notice something. When I selected a second lesson, schedule went away. When you're adding multiple courses at a time, you'll have to go in and update your days of the week and the time on the course page. Otherwise, you can add one course at a time and edit that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and add a full school year. Okay, so this is all 7 subjects of the Cultures and Ideas, second grade, and we're going to add that to Abby, and then just hit Add Courses. This should take a few seconds to begin installing these into your system. And when they're done, we will see that Abby has 7 courses. And there you have it, 7 courses. I'm going to click Finish. It's going to redirect us to our lesson plan page where it shows all of the different assignments that Abby has. Now if I click over to Courses, I'm going to see all of these individual courses, and in our next video I'll walk you through how to utilize this course page. For now, it's that simple to shop and add purchased courses into Well Planned Gal's online planning.